In this training video, I want to show you step by step how you can choose one of the best products on Clickbank that has a very high EPC, and you can promote that product and start generating potential sales and getting commissions with very minimum traffic. And I'm going to also show you how you can promote this product for free using a free platform. So if you're someone that's looking for a free way to promote other people's products, this video is going to help you. And remember, this video is related to Clickbank products, but the method that I am going to teach you in this video works with Clickbank, works with Warrior Plus, works with JVZoo, Digistore24, and all the other platforms as well. So if you're not into Clickbank and you are into other affiliate networks, feel free to promote those products using the same strategies and method I am going to teach you in this video, because this method works, it's proven, it's tested, it's worked for me, it's worked for the other top super affiliates. So if you're constantly doing this and you are persistent and you are doing it every single day with a never giving up attitude, with the right mindset, okay, potentially you should see some kind of results coming in. Okay, now this will depend, individual results will vary based on the actions you take, how you take it, how you follow the steps. Now just because I got results, other top super affiliates got results, does not basically mean that you're also going to get results. This will all depend on the effort that you put in. Remember, when it comes to making money online, whether it's with affiliate marketing or any other method, it requires effort, it requires determination, and it requires taking massive and correct action with the right mindset. Alright, so this will all depend on how you do it. So let's dive into this, and let me show you one of the best products on Clickbank that was launched just a couple of weeks ago, and you can promote this product. You can promote it on different platforms. We're just going to talk about one platform here. All right, so let's get into this. Okay, so I'm on Clickbank and I'm just going to type in that product directly into the search bar, because I know that product is a very, very good product. So I'm just going to type in Instagram here. All right, and there you go. It's this product here called Instagram Moneymaker with 0 followers. All right, it's a very, very good product. If I look at the sales page here, okay, you can see that the sales page is quite looking good as well. Okay, and you can promote this product. Okay, it pays 75% commission, and it's giving you 6 bonuses as well. And one of the bonuses, which is priceless, is the master reseller license, which means once you get this product, you will not just get the product to learn how to make money online using Instagram, but at the same time you get master reseller license to this product, which means you will get the done for you email swipes, sales page, thank you page, the entire training course, so you can sell this product as well and earn 100% profit. Okay, and this is a special price, very, very cheap, affordable. Like I said, this is worth over $1,000, but you can just get it for this. Okay, now if you want to promote this product, best way to promote this product would be Instagram. Okay, Instagram free traffic, because this is all about Instagram. So if you have an Instagram profile related to affiliate marketing and make money online, you can promote this product on Instagram, because it resonates. Okay, it's a matching product related to Instagram, so you can get high converting, you could get a lot of conversions, etc. But we're not going to talk about Instagram. We are going to talk about another free traffic source that I have used, other people are using, and you can make money online. Okay, now when you want to promote this product, you just want to go here, get your affiliate link. Okay, and then when you get your affiliate link, you just want to start to share that affiliate link by shortening it. Now to shorten that affiliate link, you just go to our website called tinyurl.com. Okay, so you could go to tinyurl and you could shorten that affiliate link. You could use other ones as well. For instance, you could use a shortener URL called Rebrandly. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you quickly how to promote this product. So we're gonna use Facebook for this purpose. Now, to do that, what you need to do first is go to Facebook, then join these groups. Couple of groups here, which is related to make money online and affiliate marketing. Okay, when you join this group, now remember, every group doesn't operate the same. Some group will get you great results, some group will not get you results, and some group will do so good that you'll get addicted. Alright, so it's all about testing. The rule of thumb is that you don't want to get crazy. You want to promote 1 or 2 products on different groups on a daily basis. You don't want to start spamming, because then you're going to get suspended, your Facebook account's going to get limited, and then after that you're not going to get any results. Okay, so you can see here, this guy, he's promoting something. Okay, he just posted this just 2 hours ago. Okay, you can see already 7 people have shown interest in this product. Okay, so if I scroll down and if I can find some more here, so you could see here, here's another one 16 hours ago. All right, and we could see already 10 people have commented. This shows that this group is a responsive group and you can expect to get some good results. All right, so I'm gonna show you the best way to actually promote a product and how I do it. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna come here. All right, and you could add different groups. I'm just going to keep it to this one group. I'm going to come here and I'm going to select a good one here. There you go. And then I'm just going to put some emojis, because emojis works the best. Okay, then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say get unlimited sales using Instagram plus get DFI reseller license. Get unlimited sales using Instagram plus get DFI reseller. Now, I'm just doing this for a demonstration purpose. In your case, you're going to twist it. You're going to use ChatGPT to come up with ideas on what to post, because it depends on your post. Now, I could do something like get unlimited $100 sales, get unlimited $100 sales using Instagram, plus get DFI reseller license and earn 100% profit. Let's do that. Yes. Okay. 100% profit. Let's see. Okay. Comment info. Right, there you go. That's all I'm going to do, and I'm going to post this. All right. Now remember, when it comes to posting on groups, like I said, that all the groups are not the same. I agree to the rules. Yes, of course. No promotions or spam. Give more than you take to this group. Sell promotion, spam, and even links aren't allowed. No promotion, no problem. All right. You get that? Let's do this. And then it's going to go into review. Once they see that you're doing some good job here, then they're not going to put that into review. It's just going to get approved. Now, what's going to happen is people are going to come here, they're going to look at this, they're going to say, okay, this is looking good, they're going to leave a comment, and every time someone leaves a comment, you're just going to directly message them with some more information about this course, okay, about this product that you're promoting, and then at the end, you're going to have your affiliate link, alright, and people are going to see it, read it, they're going to click on it, and most likely, they're going to buy the product, and you're going to make commissions, alright. So that's how easy it is. Keep it simple. Follow the rules. Don't start spamming all the groups in one go. Don't start posting on every group. Don't start posting more than I say three posts, just do maximum 3 on 3 different groups. Okay, and then you can also automate this. So first do this manually, and then once you start doing it, then you can automate this. I will be coming up with a brand new video showing you how to automate this entire process, so you don't have to do anything. The only thing you will do, you will be posting, and the messaging will be going out directly to the people who comments on here without you having to lift a finger. So stay tuned for that.